Winter is here and we all like to get some sunshine with music on the background. Well, there are a lot of Bluetooth speakers to choose from. This boxy looking speaker looks something out of the ordinary. Just because it looks bigger compared to the others and looks classy with this wooden texture, I decided to go with it and have been using it for 6 months. I'm Yankee and this is the full review of Wooden Audiocube by Allocacoc after 6 months. The wooden variant I have with me in terms of aesthetics looks amazing. The device fits almost anywhere with its wooden grey accents and the rubber base makes it stick to almost any surface. The Audiocube is built like a tank and it is justifiable with its heft of 1.3 kgs. And it's hard to carry with just one hand, so I won't exactly call it much portable in a sense that it has got portable on its name. It offers basic buttons like play, pause, volume up and down, Bluetooth and a giant power button up top. The buttons put additional functionality of changing next or previous song as well. So moving on to the main thing, it's audio. Well, it has got omnidirectional speakers on 4 sides providing 360-degree audio experience. So the sound is definitely going to fill up the room you're in with its loudness. What I like the most about the Audiocube is the bass. If you are fond of listening to hip hop or house music, then you are in for a treat. All 4 speakers combinedly produce 30 watts of output. Even at full volume, there was no distortion with such a loud audio. But if you are into listening to some soft music, the bass is going to cover up the treble, producing muffled effect. For such music, you'll have to consider the regular version of Audiocube. In most of the cases, with the music I listened, I never got a chance to complain about the audio. I will just put on some music and enjoy it. This is a great speaker for outdoor picnics, gatherings, or even night outs. Audiocube uses Bluetooth 4.0 and it has range of up to 10 meters, so you can pocket your phone and just move around freely. Apart from Bluetooth, you can also use a direct audio jack located at the top. With its 4200 mAh battery, Audiocube provides 12 hours of playback with 50% volume and up to 7 hours when played with full volume. Sadly, there is no charge indicator to determine how much charge you have left. Other than music, I enjoyed a good portion of time watching sports, movies, and other random videos, and the Audiocube provided a serene audio experience that went well with all of those scenarios. If you want some loud music that is going to fill up the room completely, then opting for the Audiocube would be a wise investment. I would personally choose the wooden one compared to the regular one as it has got better drivers and looks classy. So that's it for the full review of Wooden Audiocube by Allocacoc after 6 months. If you have any queries or recommendations, drop them down in the comment section below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and this is me Yankee signing off.